Hello everyone, I am Prem Kumar. Welcome to Math JEE Academy. Today I am going to discuss with you a very interesting question. The sum of the squares of integer solutions of the equation signum of the greatest integer function of 15 by 1 plus x square equal to the greatest integer function of 1 plus the fractional part of 2 times x. Okay, so how to define the signum of function? So when x is positive, 1. When x is negative, minus 1. When x equal to 0, 0. You know that the fractional part of functions range 0 to 1. Then how to define the greatest integer functions from real number to integers? For example, if you take a greatest integer function of 3.5, so which is the greatest integer less than or equal to 3.5? 3, right? Okay. Now you can see the right side you have to simplify it, right? So greatest integer function of 1 plus fractional part of 2 times x. You know that fractional part of 2 times x is 0 to 1. Now you can add 1 both side, so that 1 plus fractional part of 2x is 1 to 2. If something is 1 to 2 means the inside of the greatest function should be 1, right? Okay. Now you simplified the right side, that completely is equal to 1. Therefore the signum of the greatest integer function of 15 by 1 plus x square is equal to 1 we can write. So you can use the definition of the signum of function. The signum of something is equal to 1 means the something should be strictly greater than 0. You know that the greatest integer function is always integer, right? So it is more than 0 means it starts from 1, right? So therefore the greatest integer function of 15 by 1 plus x square is greater than or equal to 1. If it's more than 1 or equal to 1 means that inside the greatest integer function is there, no? That should be greater than or equal to 1. Then only it's satisfied, right? So you can simplify this. 15 is greater than or equal to 1 plus x square. You can simplify further. You can see x square is less than or equal to 14. You take the square root on both sides. So square root of x square we can write mod x. Mod x is less than or equal to square root of 14. That means x would be minus square root of 14 to plus square root of 14. Square root of 14 value is what? 3.74. Therefore minus 3.74 to plus 3.74. What are the integers values there? You can see minus 3 to 3 is there. What they're asking, the sum of the squares of the integers. You can square it and add it, all the solutions. You can see the 28 is your answer. I hope everyone understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my Math JEE Academy channel. Thank you everyone.